Hi, I am Amir Hossein Mirza Bozorg, and in this video I want to talk about discount code for all the premium Abaqus tutorials and packages from November 18th to 30th. In this video I will talk about terms and conditions of the discount for most of the tutorials and packages, terms and conditions of the discount for special tutorials, gift of the users of the Black Friday discount, new update for the comprehensive Abaqus package and its sub-packages, and finally increase in the price of some of the tutorials and packages after the discount expiration. Please notice that this is the last discount of 2025. The next discount will be announced on March 2026. And each discount has its own terms and conditions, but the discount for Black Friday has the best conditions for you. The discount code is Black Friday 2025, and discount for everybody is 40%, discount for people who have purchased or have had online sessions before is 50%, and discount for people who have purchased and have had online sessions before is 60%. Please notice that the discounts are different for only one of the tutorials mentioned on the next slide. If you would like to purchase any premium tutorials or packages at a discount, please send us the names of the tutorials or packages along with the discount code. You can send an email or text us via Telegram or WhatsApp. Here is the tutorial with different discount conditions. This tutorial is about the example 9.11 of the example problems manual of API 579, and here is the link to its preview. The discount for everybody is 30%, and the discount for people who have purchased the comprehensive Abaqus package or one of its sub-packages is 40%, and the discount for people who have purchased one of the tutorials related to crack assessment is 40%. If you have bought more than one tutorial about crack assessment, please text us for a better discount. Here is the gift for the users of the Black Friday discount, and this is the link to its preview. You will receive this tutorial for free by purchasing the comprehensive Abaqus package or one of its sub-packages, the crack assessment package or one of its sub-packages, or generally two tutorials like 2 chapters of a package or generally 2 separate tutorials. And here is the second update for chapter 5 of comprehensive Abaqus package, and this is the link to its preview. This is the second update for chapter 5. Updates will be provided free to everyone who purchases each chapter or package. The cost of each chapter or package will increase for new buyers after each update, but those who purchase the package will have unlimited access to all upcoming updates. This will keep the content up to date with new needs and problems that must be solved via FE simulation. And the video and files of this update are shared automatically via the folder of chapter 5 in the Google Drive. Now I want to talk about the tutorials that their price will increase after the expiration of the discount. The first one is axiotic structure analysis in Abaqus 2D, 3D, static and dynamic analysis. And here is the link to its preview. The second one is use of cohesive method and XFEM together for delamination and damage analysis in Abaqus. And here is the link to its preview. In the future, maybe we also increase the price of some other tutorials, but at present we are not sure about them. Our YouTube channel offers 2 types of tutorials: free tutorials and a preview of the premium tutorials. About the free tutorials, certain free tutorials offer extended premium packages. The price, excluding any discounts, are outlined in the description below the videos. When you provide us with the discount code Black Friday 2025, you will only be required to pay nearly half of the stated prices. If you specify the names of the premium tutorials or packages you desire without mentioning the discount code, the discount will not be applied to your orders. Now I want to talk about limitation of the discount code. The discount code can be utilized multiple times between November 18th and 30th. There are no restrictions on the quantity of premium tutorials or packages you can purchase using the discount. The sole limitation on the discount code is its expiration, which is November 30th. And you can contact us via Telegram or WhatsApp, or you can send email to us. We have several kinds of services for FEA consultancy, including one-on-one tutoring and making special tutorials to your order, high-quality simulations for thesis exercises and industrial projects, and we can hold training sessions, courses, webinars based on the user requirements, and we offer support in writing the modeling and result discussion part of your thesis, and we have consulting services for MSc, PhD positions or job interviews, and we can help you to prepare the presentation of your simulation works. Now I want to suggest you several related videos of our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good time. Goodbye.